We're building an Amazon-style e-commerce app, firing up the CLI with SaaS Builder in it and naming the project Quickart. It's time to describe what we are building, and here's the prompt that I've given to build an Amazon-style e-commerce website. I'll be selecting the tech stack, going ahead with Next.js and Supabase. For the model, I'm choosing OpenAI's GPT 4.1. Next, I'm dropping the OpenAI API key. The tasks are being executed one by one right now. And as you can see, files are being generated. The migration folder contains all the SQL files, and the SRC folder contains all the components and layouts of the project. Lastly, all the dependencies are installed, and now the app is deployed. All the features that were described in the prompt are in place, including the product listing, the add to cart feature, the FAQ section is also here. Let us try the sign-in capability. Now that we have logged in successfully, I would want to test out the add to cart capability. I've added this product to my cart. Let's see if it's reflecting here. Yes. Now if I wish to increase the quantity, I could do that as well. And this is the final result with one prompt that we have built using GoCodeo SaaS Builder.